I like to do these things outside whenever I can. Welcome back. So we got Crunchy Cravings Sesame Chips, Honey Roasted Pineapple Habanero. No MSGs or artificial flavors. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you'll hit that subscribe button while you're here today. If you haven't found anything interesting in this video, if you would, go back and watch some of my other videos. Maybe you'll find something that actually interests you and you'll hit that subscribe button. If not a big deal. I hope you'll come back, watch some of the other crazy that I have to do. And if you are coming back to see me again, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Not all my videos are the greatest, but hell, I'm still learning. Still going to be posting stuff up. But if you would, hit that subscribe button, please, please, please. Let's get me up to 1,000. Let's make these goals happen. So, the sweet taste of pineapple and honey with a kick of habanero. In here, crack that bitch open. Now, on the picture, they look nice and red. In real life, they're not so red, they're brown. They look good. All right, honey roasted pineapple habanero. Pineapple and honey I taste right away. It's an interesting chip. Pineapple pops right away. There's just a slight hint of spice. It's not strong. A little bit of tingling on the tongue. Not overpowering, nothing like that. The honey and the pineapple pop. What kind of chips? The chips themselves are interesting. They have a really good flavor to them. But yeah, so the habanero, you really can't taste in it too much. But as for the pineapple and the honey, those two pop. Let me take those are awesome. Little butthole over here looking at me like I'm gonna give him one. Or her. But these are awesome. They're interesting. I wish the habanero had more of a kick. Because it's more of just the sweet taste of pineapple and honey with no kick of habanero. So, have you guys ever seen these before? You like them? Don't like them? Give me some feedback in the comment section below. I always like to interact with you guys. Now, if you have an idea of something that you think that I should test out or taste or freaking do a review on, leave a comment down in the comment section below. If you have something that you want me to take a look at and review, I have both a mailbox for regular mail, USPS, and then if you want to send anything FEDEX or UPS, those are both in the description below. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you'll come back and view me on the next one. Tell me what you guys think about these if you've had them before.